Good morning, second grade. Today's Thursday, May the 14th, today and tomorrow, and then we're done with school. We can do this. Okay, let's say our Bible memory together. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be removed, though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, though the waters thereof roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling thereof. Selah, there is a river, the streams whereof shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacles of the Most High. Psalms 46, 1-4. Say it again. God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Therefore will not we fear, though the earth be removed, and though the mountains be carried into the midst of the sea, and though the waters thereof roar and be troubled, though the mountains shake with the swelling thereof. Selah, there is a river, the streams whereof shall make glad the city of God, the holy place of the tabernacles of the Most High. Psalms 46, 1-4. Okay, thank you. Hopefully you know those. You can say them tomorrow. Do you think you can? Okay, let's go to our speed drill, our last speed drill for the year. We're doing our, oh wait a minute. Yeah, it is. Speed drill number 4. Okay, get your pencil and your paper ready, and I shall set the timer. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Ready, set, go. Okay, stop. Okay. Here goes the first row. 5, 8, 9. The next row is 11, 11, 18, 17. The next row is 35, 15, 80, and 0. Next is 8 and 17, and 6 and 6, and yay, you're done. So put your score on the back and you're done with it. For second grade, no more speed drills. Yay for you. Okay, let's go to our book. A couple more lessons in here we're going to do. We're ready for page 307. Actually, before we go into that, let's do our 3s in multiplying, okay? We're going to say the answers, okay? Here we go. You say it, and then try and say it before me, and then see if you're right. Okay? 0, 6, 12, 9, 15, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, this one, 3, 18, Okay, hopefully you'll learn some of those this year. You'll learn them better next year. Okay, let's go to your lesson. Page 307, put your name and date at the top, please. And then let's go over it. Number 1, fill in the answer to learn more about the Yellowstone National Park. We have a reindeer over here. They almost look like they're a combination of an elk and a deer almost. Anyway, okay, A. Yellowstone was the first national park. It was established in March 1, 1872. Write the date using digits. That's why, see now, it's important you learn how to write your date. Now you have to write the date in there. Using digits, okay? Instead of writing March, you figure out what month that is and you write it in there, okay? B, that's actually A is when the park was established. 1872, that was a long time ago. Okay, B, about 43 plus 24 equals what? Kinds of mammals live in Yellowstone. Add it up to figure out how many mammals live in Yellowstone. Just do it like 4 plus 3 is what? 2 plus 4 is what? You got it? There are over how many geysers? You know, a geyser, remember we had Old Faithful the other day? We had a picture of just spewing up out of the ground. Those are geysers, okay? This is a Roman numeral C. What does Roman numeral C stand for? Okay, it's 3 of them. Ooh, that's a lot. Okay, D, there are over, let's see something. Maybe we should be reviewing our Roman numerals, huh? Let's go over number D yet, and then maybe we will. There are over 4 times 10 big waterfalls. So multiply 4 times 10 to figure out how many big waterfalls there are. Well, this is an awesome place to have that many waterfalls. And 100 plus 90 waterfalls at least. Okay, the first number was big waterfalls. And then this one is 100 plus 900 equals how many waterfalls? That's more waterfalls. But the first one was just the biggest ones, okay? At least X and V feet tall. That's how tall the waterfalls are. So what is X and V in Roman numerals? Let's go over our Roman numerals. Let's just review them. Let me get them. Here we go. Okay, I don't know. Let's see, they're sort of mixed up here. Let's just go through them, okay? And you see again if you can say them before me. I don't know what all they are here, but let's just go through this pack. You see if you can say it before me. 1, 4. What is that? 1,000. What is C? 100. Oh, I got this one upside down. 50. 500. 5. 10. Okay, so your C, did you get that? C was 100. You needed to know that for the 1. And then X and V. Okay, you know what 10 is. I mean, you know what X is and you know what V is. So add them together to figure out what those numbers will be. Number 2, write 6 zeros after the 4 to see how many people visit Yellowstone each year. You are to write 6 zeros. See the comma? That means 3 will go here and 3 will go there. That's how many million people visit the Yellowstone every year. Number 3, mark the cost of 8 10-cent candies. Oh. So if you had 8 candies that cost 10 cents each, Do you know how you can think that in your head? 8 candies that are 10 cents each. You can multiply it. That's why multiplying is so cool, because you can figure out a large amount in a quick time. If you have 8 candies and they cost 10 cents each, how much would that cost? You fill in the circle. Number 4, if Jacob had 90 cents, if Jacob had 90 cents, okay, 90 cents, to buy 10-cent stickers, how many stickers could he buy? How many 10s are in 90? So let me tell you what, you can set it up like this. 10 goes into 90. How many times? 10 times what makes 90? You can set it up that way. That's why division and multiplying are so cool. It helps you figure out that. To know how many stickers he can get with his 90 cents, because they each cost 10 cents. So divide in there and it will tell you how many stickers he can get. 5, write the answers. 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what? You just do them. And that's the same as 3 times 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is what? Same as 5 times 3. Let's flip the page. Page 308, number 1. Write the answer to the combination your teacher says. 9 times 3. Can you do that? You have to count by 3s 9 times. 3, 6, 9. If you don't know it in your head anyways. 3, 6, 9, 12. 9 times. Okay? B. 17 minus 9 plus 4. 17 minus 9 plus 4. They're giving us some hard ones today, huh? The next one. 6 plus 5 minus 9. 6 plus 5 minus 9. D, 4 times 10. What is 4 times 10? Count by 10s 4 times. 4 times 10. E, 5 times 8. Here again, you count by 5s 8 times. 5, oh, I'm not times, I'm so sorry. Don't write it down. It's 5 plus 8, not 5 times 8. 5 plus 8. Okay, number 2. Write the number your teacher says. Now think it through what I'm saying. 17,005. The chart's here handy. 17,005. Okay. B. 11,040. So put the numbers on in where they're supposed to be, and then if there's an extra space that was nothing for, put a 0 in there, okay? 11,040. Okay, here's another one. 9,200. 9,200. D, 8 1/4. 8 1/4. E, 5 2/3. 5 2/3. Okay, 3. Color 1/3 of the campers. Okay, divide it into thirds and you color 1/3 of the campers. Number 4, write the answers. No. 1/3 of 9. How do you do that? Let me divide 9 into 3 parts. Or, I'm going to tell you another trick. If you haven't really learned this yet much, to find a third of something, because a third has 3 parts, divide 3 into 9. Same thing. You can do it that way. 3 times what would make 9? And then the next one too is 1/3 of 12. So because we're talking about a third, it's 3. So take 3 into 12 is how many? 3 times what makes 12? And again, a third of 18. You can take 3 because a third is 3 into 18. And the last one, a third of 21. You can do it the same way. Because a third is 3. You can divide 3 into 21 and figure out what it is. 3 times what makes 21 is kind of what you think it. When you think it. Number 5, color to show the fraction. Okay, color the circle, 2/3 of the circle in, 1/3 of the circle. Number 6, write the correct answer. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 is how many? If you have 3/3, how many is it? Okay. And if you need to do that, divide up a circle. You can't think it through, make a circle. 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 makes how many? How many is that? We've never maybe done that, but let me just show you on here. If you have, it's 1/3 plus 1/3, 3 of them, it fills the whole thing up, doesn't it? So it makes a whole 1, okay? Number 7, write the sums and differences. Okay, do that. Finish that up. And that's all for today. Do your extra math. One more thing. We are not going to have spelling and writing today. We're all done with no more writing for this year. And if you got 100 in spelling, you don't need to study your words. But you had one more part in your lesson to do. Do number 4 yet, okay? Finish the story using the words. You use these words in the story, okay? So finish that up. And then, yeah, if you got a 100 on your test on Wednesday, you are done with spelling. And those of you who did not get a 100, I'm not going to go over the words today. I'm just going to let you do it. You practice the words and get ready for your test for tomorrow, okay? And no spelling and writing class. So there will not be a video today for spelling and writing. So we'll see you tomorrow in arithmetic class.